Welcome to CyberPros Metasploit tutorial, installation and initialation. First, we'll ensure the Metasploit-framework is installed and up to date. This command refreshes our package lists and then installs the Metasploit-framework package, which is the core of the tool. Next, with Metasploit installed, we need to initialize its database. This command starts and configures the PostgreSQL database service that Metasploit uses to manage workspaces, host data, and loot. Now that the database service is running, let's verify that the msfconsole can successfully connect to it. We'll use the X-flag to execute the db status command and then exit, which should show a successful connection status before closing the console. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.